So what we are going to do, we have a very nice thing. So this is IIT JAM. I think it is in 2007 or something else. Don't know. 7 or 17, don't worry. What is this question? There is a projectile. Okay. So I think you know this is the shape of projectile. And the angle is 45 degree. The projectile angle is 45 degree. Okay. So this is in XY plane. Okay. Now, what will happen? They have asked at the maximum height of this projectile, find the radial component as well as angular component of gravitation G. This is the question. Are you getting my point? So everything, this is given into what? This is given in a Cartesian coordinate. But they have asked what is the radial component and what is the angular component. Okay. What is the radial component and what is angular component of G? G is the gravitation. So let us try to go for this. How you will solve this particular problem? Very simple. We will just take a radius vector. This is R. And the angle of projectile is 45 degree. So don't be confused that this angle is 45 degree. This angle will change to every point, isn't it? This radial vector. This angle is going to change. Let us say this angle is some theta or some alpha, you can put anything, but the projectile angle is 45 degree. Okay. Now, what is the direction of gravity? This is the direction of gravity. And we have to give the direction of r cap. This is direction of r cap. And this is direction of theta cap, isn't it? According to our notation. So what we have to do? We have to just take the component of G along this axis and along this axis. This is your r cap and this is your minus r cap. This is theta cap and this is minus theta cap. So what will be this value? This value is what? G. Suppose this angle is theta. Then this value is what? This is 90 minus theta. So what is this value? Sorry. What is this value? G sin theta.
G sin theta.
Okay. So this value is, so AR is nothing but G sin theta. Okay. And this is minus sign. So I will put the minus sign because in the option, they are minus and plus is also given. And what about A theta? That is plus or minus. So this will be minus G cos theta. Okay. So my next challenge is that how we are getting the value of sin theta and cos theta. Yes. How we are getting the value of sin theta and cos theta. So can I say that tan theta is equal to H maximum by R by 2, where H maximum is the height and R is the range, maximum height and range.
Yes, sir.
कह सकते हैं? Yes. Now, what will be H maximum? So you know the formula of H maximum. Suppose alpha is the projectile angle and this is your pi by 4. So you know the sorry. So you can write what is H maximum? This is V square
by 4G
sin square alpha upon 2G. Isn't it? This is your H maximum, isn't it?
Yes.
This is your H maximum. So just put the value of H maximum. So alpha is equal to 45 degree. So this will be V square upon 4G. And what will be range? What is definition? What is formula of range? So range is equal to V square. I think you know this formula, na? 2 alpha upon G. So here we will put the value. That value is V square upon G. Alpha is equal to 45 degrees. Then this is V square upon G. And now, what is R by 2? R by 2 is equal to V square upon 2G. So then we can easily calculate this value. And this value is equal to, so basically we have to calculate tan theta. So what is tan theta? Tan theta is nothing. If we are putting all this thing, then this value is 1 upon 2. Yes? Now, what is sine theta? If tan theta is 1 upon 2, then what is sine theta? Then sine theta is minus G 1 upon root 5. And what about your cos theta? That is minus G 2 upon root 5. Isn't it? You can easily calculate all this thing. So this will be the answer. Minus G upon root 5 and minus 2G upon root 5 will be answer. There are all other options are there, but you can easily calculate all this thing. So it's a very wonderful problem, isn't it? Because everything you can calculate with the geometry. And what is radial direction and what is why we are taking the negative one? Because the component of G in this direction and in this direction, isn't it? If I am resolving towards R and theta direction. So why we are taking the negative sign? So positive will also the option, but we have to take the proper sign convention to give the answer. Everyone is comfortable?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
है ना, कुछ पूछना है तो पूछ सकते हो, बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी नाइस प्रॉब्लम. और जिस साल आया था बच्चों ने काफी कम लोगों ने इसे अटेम्प्ट किया था सही ढंग से. So let us go for